The EBSCO databases, the basics of the Vanguard University Library Online Series, Lesson 9 of the Intro to Library Resources course. You will now learn how to use the EBSCO databases and enter into a search. We will be accessing the EBSCO Academic Search Elite database. There are several ways to enter into this database. One is to go to the Vanguard Library website, library.vanguard.edu, and at the very top of the screen you will see a section that's called Databases and Electronic Resources. Under E, you would select EBSCO Academic Search Elite. Another handy way is to go to your Library Resources Moodle course, and under Quick Links we have EBSCO Databases, or under your course menu you would select EBSCO, and under Resources you would select EBSCO Databases. We are now in EBSCO Academic Search Elite, and let's go over the interface. At the top of the screen, under the bolded phrase, Searching Academic Search Elite, there are 3 blank text boxes. This is where you will type your keywords to search for journal articles. After typing your keywords in the blank text boxes, you would be able to click the search button at this point, but we recommend that you continue with the additional choices below the search boxes to help narrow your search results. Under Limit Your Results, do the following. Full text. Click on the full text box. This will limit your full text documents. This means that the entire articles will be in your results. Notice a section that says Published Date. Your professor may ask you to limit your search results for the past 10 years. For example, choose January 2002 to December 2012. Next, there's a section that says Scholarly Peer-Reviewed Journals. Your professor may wish for you to limit your search results to scholarly journals. If so, click the box to the right. However, if you do not find enough journal articles when you have checked the box, then you can remove the check and perform the search a second time. Let's look under Publication Type. Under Publication Type, you have several choices to limit your search to a particular type of information: periodical, newspaper, book review, or primary source document. For the majority of your searches, choose periodical. Let's look at Document Type. Under Document Type, you have several choices: abstract, article, bibliography. For the majority of your searches, choose article. There are other options on the screen listed below Document Type, but they are not relevant to your search and you do not need to use them. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Search button, or to the very top of the screen next to the text boxes and also click the Search button. But now let's try to go and do a search for journal articles for your assignment. First, we will reset this page so we have everything cleared. Now, let's go back to the top of the screen where it says Searching Academic Search Elite. Here is where we will type in our keywords. In the first text box, type the phrase Gross Motor Skills. In the second text box, you will type in the phrase Early Childhood. And in the third text box, type in the word children. After typing your keywords in the blank text boxes, you can click the search button, but again, we recommend that you continue with the additional choices below the search boxes to help narrow your search results. Let's go to the Limit Your Results section. Full text. For the purposes of this search, we will not limit our search to full text documents. For searches in future assignments, you can limit it to full text. Under Published Date, for the purpose of this search, we're not going to limit our search by date. In the future, you can limit your search by date. Scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Again, for the purpose of this search, do not click the box to the right of scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Today, our purpose is to help you learn how to distinguish between scholarly academic journal articles and periodical articles, which may give you practical hands-on information to use in the classroom. Under publication type, you have several choices to limit your search to a particular type of information. Again, periodical, newspaper, book review, or primary source document. Here we will choose periodical. Under document type, you have several choices: abstract, article, and bibliography. Here we will choose article. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the search button. A list of journal articles will appear on the next screen. To the left of the information about each article, you will see one of two icons. You will see an icon with the words academic journal, or you will see an icon with the word periodical. Academic journal. Periodical. The articles with the words academic journal are scholarly peer-reviewed articles. The articles with the word periodical are not scholarly peer-reviewed articles. The articles with the periodical icon contain more practical information. Now we will look at an academic journal article and a periodical article. Look for the academic journal article entitled Effects of a Competency-Based Instruction on Kindergarten Children's Gross Motor Development. The author is Arlene A. Ignisso. The journal in which this article is published is entitled Physical Educator. It's published in 1991, Volume 48, Issue 4, pages 188 to 191. It's 4 pages and includes one chart. Notice there is HTML full text available. Click on that. When an article is full text, below the journal entry you may find HTML full text or PDF full text. HTML full text is the entire article in HTML format. PDF full text is a scanned image which shows how the article appears in the print version of the journal. If you have a choice, always choose to use the full text PDF. This is especially important if your professor requires you to cite page numbers in your research papers. This particular article is in HTML full text. The text of the document is in the center of the screen. Above the article, you will note that you have several options. You can actually listen to the article being read aloud. You can choose for the article to be read in an American, British, or Australian accent, and you can also choose the reading speed. You can even download it to your MP3 player. To the right of the article is an important tools box. In the box you have the following choices: Add to folder, Print, Email, Save, Cite, Export, Create Note, Permalink, and Bookmark. Most of the time you'll be using Print, Email, or Cite. You can tell that this article is a scholarly one because it is organized by sections, such as methods, participants, results, discussion. Here we have methods, results and discussion, there's also bibliography or list of references at the end of the article. And there is a table information included in this article. Now let's go back and look at a periodical article on your results list. Above the text of this article, you will see a blue bar. On the left side of the blue bar are the words Result List. Click on Result List. and you will go back to the list of articles. Now let's look for the periodical article in Journal of Research in Childhood Education. Click on the HTML full text. You can get a sense that the article is not scholarly because it is easy to read, is more informal, and here it's more of an overview of what's in the journal. It is also not organized by sections that are sometimes seen in scholarly articles, such as method, participants, results, discussion, and most importantly, there is no bibliography or list at the end of the article. That's an important clue as well. So remember, for your assignments, you will really want to be looking for scholarly peer-reviewed journals, which is often what your professor will be requesting. And if you want to narrow your search, remember you can reduce your keywords or try different ones as well.